I just want to share you guys the Hexadrone that I built a few months ago. So this is controlled by a Pixhawk, and I have the receiver of the controller here. Then this side I have the telemetry module so that I can get the information and send it to my laptop. Then at the back of this board you will see the ESCs that I use. So lots of wires here securing it. Then also the power board here where all my ESCs are connected. This is a powerful drone. And this is the motor that I use here. It's 340 kV. It actually lifts around 10 kilograms. And they have some ultrasonic sensor here at the right and left just for detecting collision. So yeah, just quick sharing of this Hexadrone that I built. Bye.